Welcome to Calkine's educational series. Thank you for trusting us with the most reliable content. Let's see the topic for today: money laundering. Now let's understand what is money laundering. Money laundering is an illegal scheme in which criminals make and transfer large amounts of money through disguising identity and location via different criminal activities such as drugs, arms and human trafficking, embezzlement and terror financing. The laundering scheme is conducted while making the process look legitimate. The money, however, is processed via criminal conduct. Hence, it is called dirty. But because of the process of making it look legitimate or clean, it is referred to as laundering.
Money laundering is a dangerous financial transactions crime which is commonly performed to launder the black money or dirty money. Laundering lets the criminal transform their illegal funds into legitimate assets, which could even be a real estate property, ultimately making it look legal in the purview of the law. Usually, it is the criminals conducting money laundering activities for their own business purpose. Criminals launder their dirty or black money so that they can use clean cash for everyday transactions without making it look suspicious.
The laundering also helps them from preventing the funds being traced back to their illegal business activities and locations, ultimately saving the funds from getting confiscated by the authorities. Now let's see what are the commonly used steps to launder money. Money laundering is a systematic process. The three common steps which are followed by the criminals are placing, layering, and integrating the dirty money.
Placing. First, let us understand why this step is required. Placing helps the criminals put their dirty money into the financial system. There are various ways to do this. The first step is always critical because there are higher chances of getting the funds detected while transferring into the financial system in large sums. These days, the criminals also use alternative ways to place their money by using cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Layering. This step involves transferring the funds from financial systems through complicated ways to track. Sometimes the criminal closes the course of the money once it's moved to other systems. Several transactions are undertaken in this process to conceal the initial foundation of the funds. Integration. Now that these funds are difficult to trace back to its origin, the integration takes place. Integrating the money back in the market is the last step to clean the cash from being dirty. Casino and gambling points, real estate transactions, purchasing the securities and also life insurance policies are commonly used to integrate laundered money into the financial world.
Now let's understand how does money laundering affect businesses. Impact on markets. Once the illegal dirty money is integrated into the marketplace, it is difficult to track back the unlawful criminal activity. While placing the funds into the financial system, the criminals also at times bribe the employees, or sometimes the institutions turn a blind eye towards these transactions.
It creates a doubt on the overall integrity of financial players. The evidence of such activities is impacting on the character or standing of the financial institutions. Another important aspect is the funds generated via money laundering are used in creating volatile situations in international capital flow as well as exchange rates. Most of the time, the money which is laundered is used for cross-border asset transfer. These funds, once integrated into the market, creates change in the money demand. Such funds offer risk to a bank's soundness. Impact on society, democracy and law and order. Money laundering not just impacts the market and economy, but because it leads to corruption, crime and terrorism, it damages the smooth functioning of the society. Unchecked or ineffective handling of money laundering can have severe impacts on the social and political aspects of the community.
Once the dirty money is infiltrated into the systems, it can get control of the broad sectors such as real estate investment. Once these elements take control of the society, it damages the social fabric at large, weakening the society from its core. Well, that's all from us today. Hope you got a better understanding about money laundering. For more such educational tips, please visit our website calkinemedia.com and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, stay apprised and invest wise with Calkine, your best guide.